Have you seen those ads for IHear More promising crystal clear hearing with 80% off deals that sound almost too good to be true? Well, we decided to take a deeper look at what's really going on behind iHearMore.com, and the results might surprise you. On the surface, the site looks professional and offers affordable hearing aids like the Clarity Pro CIC rechargeables and BTE Bluetooth models, claiming they deliver high-quality sound at a fraction of the usual cost. Some customers online even report decent results and improved hearing, which sounds promising. But as we dug deeper, we found several red flags that you should know before buying. First, the domain was registered only in July 2025, which means it's a very new site, something you should always be cautious about when shopping for health-related products. Then there's the issue of product images. Many appear copied or reused from other online sources, suggesting they might not be showing real IHear More devices. The brand also provides no clear information about who runs the company, where it's based, or whether its products are medically certified or approved by hearing specialists. That's a major concern, considering these are devices that directly affect your hearing health. The website uses heavy marketing tactics, including huge limited-time discounts plastered everywhere, which often reset daily, a classic sign of pressure selling. Plus, while IHear More displays glowing reviews on its own site, they look overly polished and possibly fake. When we checked Trustpilot, the story changed. The company sits at around 3.8 stars, with mixed feedback from buyers mentioning slow deliveries, refund problems, and even scam worries. So, is IHear More a total scam? Not necessarily, but with all these inconsistencies and missing transparency, it's definitely a brand to approach carefully, especially before trusting it with something as sensitive as your hearing.